Everyone, let's begin structure query language SQL, and in this session we are going to learn how we will install SQL in our system, and further we will use SQL, this language, and we would learn how we have to get the commands and all operational things we are going to learn after this. So let me explain you how simply you will open on your internet MySQL. You will type here MySQL. So first one is mysql.com and simply enter this. So this interface will open. Now we can see this is the MySQL, and now you can see product, services, partners, customer, and so many things. So we have to click here downloads. Simply click here downloads, and in downloads we will scroll down and MySQL community GPL downloads. Simply click here. A moment you are going to click here, this is the MySQL installer for Windows. Simply we have to click it because we are going to install for the Windows. So it's MySQL installer 8.0, and now we can see Microsoft Windows. And here it depends upon your system. It is 8632-bit or 8632-bit MSI installer, and all those things you can check it as per your requirement. So here it is what I'm doing. I'm just downloading Windows 8632-bit. This is so login. There is no need to log in, and simply no thanks. Just start my download. A moment you will start downloading. Now you can see it is downloading, right? 2 MB done, and it is downloading. Yes, we are going to allow yes, and now it's downloaded. Launcher and all that is MySQL, it is downloading. And now what we have to do? Simply we have to press next. And after that, again, we are going to press next. Warning, you still have warning with your selected paths. Are you sure you want to continue? So yes, there is, right? This is my path, install directory I had defined. And if you want to change your directory, you can change here, right? But there is, I'm not changing my directory, and simply next, you still have warning you are selected. So are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I would say yes, I want to continue. And then after that, execute. And now moment we will start executing, and now you can see it is in progress. So it is downloaded, and now it is reflecting downloaded. And now what we have to do is simply just close this, and we will go back. We will go back. And now MySQL workbench. Let me show you since beginning. So here it is. Once you will write mysql.com. So again, we will go to downloads. And in downloads, now MySQL community GPL downloads, and we need MySQL workbench. And simply you have to press here MySQL workbench. And now you are going to start once again. This one is MySQL download. And again, login, it is not required. So no thanks, just start my download. A moment it is downloading, then after that, we are going to install all those things in our system, right? So let me just check whether it is downloaded or not. And I'm sure it is downloaded, and my workbench is also downloaded. So first of all, you can say preparing for this one is the install. So next, just press this next. And after that, again, press this next. All program features to be inside. Press next. And yes, and after that, it is going to install. It will take little bit time, right? And yes, we will allow to our window defender. It will allow to install in our system. So it is validating install and all. Right. So moment it is downloading, and again in the same manner you have to download, you have to execute in the same manner in your system. That was the earlier one. So now we can see these are the MySQL workbench community and MySQL installer. Right. So both these things please install in your system, and in the next video we will understand how we are going to run, what kind of window that will open. Until the time I am just stopping. So, right. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Keep watching.